Top of the tower's down.
Sam, ready to come, we're ready. Got it. We got our boys at the front door, guys. We got our people right in front. Watch your aim.
Make sure you keep an eye on the right too, Corey.
Yes. I think whatever makes the contact in my gun is done. Guys, hold up right here. We're gonna make a push in a minute. Nice clear.
Damn, I lost one of my nose pieces that keeps my mesh off my face.
Friendly's in the fort. Repeat, friendly's in the fort. Let's go. Move. To the fort, watch your right side. Let me come around.
Don't shoot yet. Don't shoot yet. Stay low. Stay low. They got us. They got us.
He only sees me. He only sees me. He only sees me.
Get ready. Get ready.
Let him see.
3, 2. 1 down. 1 down. Jesse, if you want to push all the way back and then around,
I want someone to go with me. I'm coming.
take TJ with you.
Come on. I can play pretend.
Move it into the bush on the right side of the boat.
That thing's got some pretty damn good range.
Oh, I'll cover your ears.
Alright guys, everybody in here, you're all dead. This one came in.
Okay.
Walk back to respawn.
Okay.
Everybody's dead?
Yep, all the guys in this
They
area.
shoot our missile at us. They shoot their missile at us. Hey, that's probably us, dude. You sure that's tan?
Guilty crown.
See anybody else? Who's got a map?
Put your dead rag on. Put your dead rag on.
Should hit. Hey, Campbell, up.
CJ, take cover.
See him? Right there.
This is green. We have possession of the village.
Got him. No, I didn't.
Hit!
Corey, where is he?
Move, man!
Jason, come on, man. Move. Dude,
Ain't nobody shooting at you right now.
he's right.
Calm down.
God damn it. So I guess if we get that mannequin, it's a good thing. Corey, let this guy walk out there. What is he giving a thumbs up for? Hey, Corey. On his stomach behind this one barricade right here. The closest barricade to us. You dead?
Yeah, you are.
Hey, is that us?
I saw that bright orange gun, man, and I was like, I can tell.
Nah, that don't fit there.
I can tell bingos work from a mile away.
So where's that mannequin at?
That was awesome.
Got it! Yes! No, I was shooting on your right. Oh, he's green? Are you green, buddy? Green. I can't see this far, man. I'm all fogged up. Are you green?
Hit!
You know what?
What?
This is where I become famous.
Right here, right here. You green? We just were. My bad. Oh, my girl get shot?
There they are right there. Yes, your girl got shot, bro. Sorry.
What happened?
Well, don't worry, we're gonna get you another one. She got hit left, dude. I told you they're right here.